Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to attach an alligator clip to a wire. I recently bought these thinking wires ought to be attached, but it turns out they weren't. So I'm going to be showing you how to today. First thing you're going to need is some sort of something that you can open this up with, clamp it on, and this will just slide out. So if we take a look at this inside, you'll see there's this flat area and these two little prongs. So you can go ahead and take that out now. You're also going to need your wire. This is just any wire will really do. You take this, you set it on there about like that. And then you take some sort of pliers. I can't find my needle nose pliers, so I have to use these. You set it on there. I like to bend it, actually. It just helps hold on better. So you go like that. And then you fold one of these down on top. Best you can. Okay. And I just crimp it nice and tight. And there go, just straighten it back out. It's nice and secure. Put your thing back in to hold it. And slide this through the other end. And you've just made yourself an alligator clip.